Click Camera Setting. Center calibration of CCD2. Select it. Click in place and nozzle 1 will move to this coordinates. Select Camera CCD2 here. Execution of single capture. After taking picture, adjust the exposure. Make image clear. Align the cross center with the nozzle center. Click Continuous Capture and move NOS to cross center. After they are aligned, save the coordinates. Then same process with nozzle 2. Move second nozzle to cross center. Save the coordinates after aligned. Same process for all 8 nozzles. Turn off continuous capture after 8 nozzles completed. Go back to the first nozzle and click in place. Save task firstly. Then go for 9 points grid calibration. Click 9-point template area. Draw a box to cover nozzle. Click 9-point Generate Template. Click Start 9-point Calibration. It will calibrate the center automatically. Calibration accuracy here should be less than 0.01. Click Yes. After calibration, click Generate Nozzle File. Generate coordinates. Click Save Task. Start for rotation calibration. Let nozzle 1 suck the rotation calibration tool. Click Vacuum on 1. 8 nozzles vacuum can be all turned on. Place calibration tool to nozzle 1 manually. Click in place of flying shot coordinates 1. Single capture. The exposure is too bright and adjust exposure lower. The edge is clearly visible, then it's okay. Click Rotation Template Area. Draw a box. Click Rotation Generate Template. Start rotation calibration. It will automatically generate coordinates. After completed, it will generate a green circle. Same operation for nozzle to 8. Save task after completed. Turn off vacuum of nozzle 1 to 8. Nozzle center and rotation calibration is done.